was measured at several different places with the result in inches as follows. So can you draw a histogram for this?
Maybe.
Okay.
See, let me give you intervals. Intervals are 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, and so on up to 50 to 55. Okay. So now can you calculate the frequency?
Okay.
So let's suppose if these are the class intervals you have been given. Can you read it?
Yes.
So now try to calculate the frequency. Basically, so how many measurements you have between 15 and 20, which are greater than or equal to 15 but less than 20.
Yeah.
Que se ve borroso.
Mister, look, we can't really see it because it's blurry.
Now,
Ahorita lo vamos a hacer blurry.
Yeah, there.
There.
There. Thank you. No.
there's one more page. So how many values you have between 15 and 20?
Do we make a graph?
Yeah, you have to make a graph, but first you have to calculate the frequency. That is, how many values you have between 15 and 20. You can see these different values, right?
There's
15.4, 16.7. So like so now you need to measure like how many values are there which are greater than or equal to 15 but less than 20. So you have this one value over here, 15.4, correct?
Yes.
Then 16.7,
1.3.
then 16.9,
Ah, no.
and then 17.
¿Quién sabe?
All of the values are greater than 20, correct?
Yes.
So between 15 and 20, you have 4 values. So what I will do, like in frequency table, I will write between 15 and 20, I have 4 values. So that is my frequency.
Ya le agarré.
Ajá, yo también, y lo alto.
Ajá.
Okay.
Del otro
Now
two.
tell me what is the frequency of values between 20 and 25?
It's only one.
No, 2. Ah, yeah, 2, 1. There's 1. 2, 1.
Less than 25.
It's one.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. So you have only one value. Now between 25 and 30,
1, 2, 3.
correct.
3.
You have 3 values. And then between 30 and 45,
To determine the numbers that are in between those, and you count them, and that's the frequency. Between 30 and 35,
yes.
Dile que no me enojar.
it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You have 7 values which are greater than 30 and less than 35.
Oh, 30 and 35? It's 1, 2, yeah.
Exactly. So there are only 2 values. Now between 35 and 40,
6. Yeah.
you saw that.
No te entiendo lo que dices.
It's because, see, you have to get numbers that are between these two, and you count them from 1, 2, 3, 4.
Del 40 to 45.
Oh.
So you guys are following it? Or should I repeat it?
It's 3.
45 is 1, 2,
3.
3.
Yeah. Then between 45 and 50,
45 through
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
correct. And then last interval is between 50 and 55.
1, 2, 3.
3.
3. Correct. So in all you have 31 readings. And now can you draw the histogram? So now you have the this values like class interval and frequency. Correct? So can you draw a histogram? So which is now a bar graph. On x-axis you will have class interval and on y-axis you will have frequency. So can you guys go ahead and plot it? And then we'll see. And then I will show you the results. And then you can check if you have done right or wrong.
Mira, en la Y va class interval.
Let me know once you are done with it.
Ok, empiézale de...
Yo no sé cómo hacer la gráfica.
¿No quieren un papelito?
Sí.
Sí. A ver, excuse me. Class. ¿Empieza de 15 o de 0?
De 0.
0, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. ¿Hasta que llega hasta el 55?
Hasta
Yeah.
55.
I'm not doing them straight though. Okay, and then 1,
Through.
2.
So are you guys are done?
¿Hasta 9? No,
No, we're doing it.
Okay.
9. ¿Verdad? Y luego...
Que no dijiste que se iba en la Y, en la X-axis.
Class goes in the y-axis, ¿qué no?
No.
No.
Class
No,
va
es
aquí.
No, the class goes on the x-axis and the frequency goes on the y-axis.
Oh. Ay, Miguel. $25, $30, $35, $40, $45.
Una gráfica lineal, una gráfica de barra.
Okay, 15 at 20 is 4.
Pero ya está el 6.
Hasta el 7.
No, 9. ¿Cuál?
Oops.
9.
9. ¿Quieres que te dé otro papel?
No.
Finished?
No.
Almost.
No.
Almost.
Okay. Okay, now let me show you the answer and then you guys
Yeah,
can
finish.
check with it. So
Ahí está, mira.
Ah, tenemos una
this
correcta.
is how your graph should look like.
Okay, it does.
It looks exactly the same.
Okay, good then. Job well done. So this is a histogram, and then there is now one more type, which is called as pie chart. Okay. So in pie chart,
Está el papel.
Okay.
let's go back to our original example, like where the cars are manufactured. In pie chart, what you do is like you represent this data using a circle. It's called as circle diagram also. And in that you have various sections. And then depending upon the percentage, you have the size of the section depends on it. How big the pie would be. So how do you calculate how big your
It
pie
says
is?
that the meeting's gonna end in 5 minutes.
Says that scheduled meeting in 5 minutes.
So do you know how to draw a pie chart?
Huh?
You guys know how to draw a pie chart?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, then can you draw a pie chart for this problem over here?
Yes.
Okay.
But we can't see, it's blurry. Yeah.
Okay. Dice number of men, plane, son 7, ¿verdad?
What?
Yes.
Y luego strip
So,
es
es 5 y otra es plain.
No, it's plain.
So plain is twice, so that's 5.
No, el segundo, el primero empieza, termina con D.
So first, you need to calculate the total, right? So you have
But is the
5.
first one plain?
No,
Yeah.
the last one's plain. The first one.
Is it with a D or an N?
It's D. And the last one is N.
D.